very good morning, dear children. So today teacher is going to teach you something from your maths topic, right? We all have finished with English, you all did your Marathi, and all of you have done your artwork very well. I'm so happy. Okay, so today teacher will be doing something in maths. Okay, shall we start, children? Okay, now okay, look at this, children. All of you recognize this? Okay, it's your soft teddy bear which you play with, right? And look at this. It has got a friend to play with it. Now what do you think when you look at them? Do they look same, both of them? Are they looking same? Observe carefully. No, isn't it? One is small and one is big. One is small and one is big. Isn't it, children? Yeah. Now let's look at them. Again, two more small teddy bears. Are they small, both of them? No. One is small and one is big. Are they looking the same? No. This is small and this is big. Oh, what's this? A small toy elephant. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, are they of the same size? One is small and one is big. This is small, this is big. Yes. Let's look at them. Two small sticks. What's their size? Are they the same? No. One is small and one is big. Isn't it, children? Let's move on with new things. Yes. Your doll. Are they of the same size? No. This is big and this is small. Have you all seen, children? So at home also you must be seeing so many toys around your house. Balls, whatever things you have, pencils. So all those, one may be big and one may be small, right? Now you must have understood how teacher showed you big and small things, right? Now, like this, we are going to deal with numbers also, because you will learn with pictures, you will learn with things, but later on you have to learn with numbers too. Okay, children? So shall we proceed to do that?
Start.
Okay, now today I will be giving you an activity to do it in the evening. So I am just showing you what kind of activities you will be doing, okay? Now look at this maths textbook, page number 1. See there, what is given here? There is a small clock and there is a big clock. Now what is written here? Color the box below the smaller clock. That means there is a square given under both the clocks. You have to color only the smaller clock. You all know which is the smaller clock, right? You will color only that, right? Okay, now let us see the next. What are these? There are two vehicles, isn't it? One is a school bus and one is a car. Now what is the instruction given here? Color the square below the bigger vehicle. You know which is a bigger vehicle, isn't it? So you will color only that square. Now let us see the next. There are two pots, okay? Now are they of the same size? No. One is small and one is big. Now what is the instruction? Color the box below the smaller vessel. So whichever is the smaller, you will color it, right? Let us go to the next. There are two balls. One is small and one is big. What is the instruction given? Color the square below the bigger ball. So whichever is bigger, you are going to color. Right, children? Yeah, so today when you do the exercise, when you pause the video, there will be similar exercise where you will be coloring the thing or you will be circling the thing. So you have to read the instructions very carefully and do the activity, okay? And understanding this bigger and smaller will help you to do with the numbers also. So we will proceed to the numbers now. Okay, children. Now I have kept some numbers here. I will not read the numbers for you. It is as simple as given. Okay, I have not kept all the numbers. Okay, now along with the number, I have kept a math stick just to show how much it is. For 1, I have kept 1 number. For 2, I have kept 2 matchsticks. For 3, I have kept 1, 2, 3. For 4, I have kept 1, 2, 3 and 4. For 5, I have kept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, for 6, there will be 6 matchsticks. For 7, there will be 7 matchsticks. For 8, there will be 8 and so on, isn't it? Now, amongst numbers, how will we know which is big? Now, when you saw the objects, it was easier for you. You saw which is the bigger teddy bear. You saw which is the bigger stick. You saw which is the bigger ball. It was easy for you. Let us see how to do with the numbers. Now, suppose I tell you, if I take 1 and 5, which is the bigger number? How will we be able to say? Because when I say 1, I am going to use only 1 stick. Whereas when I say 5, I will use more sticks. So naturally 5 will be the bigger number, isn't it?